Smart Entry allows you the convenience of unlocking your vehicle, starting it, driving, parking, and relocking it, all without ever touching a key. When you're carrying the Smart Entry remote with you and it's within about 32 inches of the driver's or front passenger's door handle, you can unlock the door by simply touching the inside of the handle. If you touch the handle when wearing gloves, the system may respond more slowly or may not unlock the doors at all. Be aware that the Smart Entry remote's range is affected by radio waves from other equipment, like cell phones, laptops, or tablets. So it's a good idea to carry the Smart Entry remote apart from these types of electronic devices. Once you're in the driver's seat, make sure the parking brake is set. The engine can be started by just stepping on the brake pedal and pressing and releasing the power button. There's no need to press the accelerator. The starting process will be completed automatically. If you want to turn on accessory mode without starting the engine, just press the power button without stepping on the brake. To turn the engine off, make sure the shift control is in park and press the power button again. In an emergency, the engine can be shut down by quickly pressing the power button 3 times, or by holding the button for at least 2 seconds. After leaving the vehicle and taking the Smart Entry remote with you, you can lock the doors by touching either the black button on the door handle or the ridges on top of the driver's or front passenger's door handle, depending on which model you have. Just make sure you're not also touching the sensor on the inside of the door handle. If the Smart Entry remote has been left in the vehicle, the doors won't lock until the remote has been removed. This prevents you from being locked out. When you choose to enable the walk-away auto lock feature, you can skip the part about touching the door handle button or sensor. It's easy to set up. With the vehicle in park and the ignition on, press the menu clock button. Rotate the selector knob to highlight settings and press to select it. Highlight Vehicle Settings and select that. Next, select Door Window Setup. Then choose Walk Away Auto Lock. And finally, select On. When you exit the vehicle with the remote and all the doors in the trunk are closed, the vehicle will beep once while you're still close by. And then, when you've walked at least 8 feet away, it'll beep again to signal that it's all locked up. So listen for both beeps to be sure it's locked. If instead you hear a series of rapid beeps for about 2 seconds, it means that the doors have not locked. This might happen if you accidentally put the Smart Entry remote in the trunk, or if the remote is out of range when the last door is closed. Make sure you have the remote with you, then open and close the driver's door again, and listen for the normal beeps to ensure the auto lock function has worked. And finally, note that the walk-away auto lock function must be enabled for each Smart Entry remote. So if you want it to work for the second remote, unlock the vehicle with that remote and repeat the setting procedure.